You will love the features of this 2023 Acura RDX. Who says you can't have it all? The RDX delivers performance, luxury, handling, and comfort, all in a crossover SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, power liftgate, keyless start, heated mirrors. Experience the rugged side of luxury. Get behind the wheel of the RDX today.